Hello boys and girls, welcome to music class. Okay, so today we're continuing with our reading music for the keyboards and the piano. Okay, so this is I think tutorial number 12. Okay, so follow them in line and let us do these two new pieces. Okay, let's switch to a keyboard view and then we will continue from there. Okay, today we are going to do the funny little bunny. So let us, as I said before you start playing a piece, just look at the music and try and understand it. So we have the time signature as 4/4, 4 beats in a bar. The first bar is only 1 beat. So if it has only 1 beat, I will count the beat from the back. So instead of counting it 1, it will be the last beat, 4. Because the very next beat will be the next bar, which is 1. So I will be counting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're counting 4 crotchet beats in a bar. So I'll be counting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This number 4 here is for your 4th finger on the left hand. It's not the beat count. Remember, these numbers that they give here are for your fingers. Okay, so I will start counting 4 and it's in the bass clef. I'll be playing a G, 4. Then it will continue on the right hand. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1. Now you can see over here the next note, which is a C here, is a minim. You can see this note here, C minim. They are putting a LH over, means my left hand has to go over my right hand and play this note. Okay, so let me play from here to here, see how it goes. I'll play it. 4, 1, now right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, then with the left hand it will go over and play with the second finger of my left hand. Okay, so it will go. Okay, so remember in the piano your hands go over each other, it goes over and under. So I can play. Okay. So your hands can go over and under, over and under. So basically that's what we're learning today. Your left hand is going over and playing the C note. Okay, then it continues with the right hand on the 3rd finger. So your right hand is underneath this left hand and you will play. Okay, excuse the noise, a lot of noise outside. Anyway, let us continue. So I'll take the first, second, third, 4th bar. Here we go. G, C, D, E, F, G, C. Then we'll continue with the right hand. Here on the E. E, G, C, E, D, C. Then continues in the left hand. G, G. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how the count goes. Again, I'll do it. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me play this part. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me continue the second line. This also continues the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it continues with the right hand. G now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last beat is off. It's a rest. So in the last bar we have 1, 2, 3 off. No playing on the last beat, because the last beat we have a rest. Okay, a crotchet rest. Okay, so now also you'll notice, like I told you, if the first bar does not have all the beats as written in the time signature, this has 4 beats, time signature. The first bar is 1 beat. Then generally the last beat will cover the loss of 3 beats. So as you can see, the last bar has 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, and similarly in the bass clef the rest add to 3 counts or 3 crotchet beats. We have a minim rest and we have a crotchet rest. So this is 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Okay, so when you add the first bar and the last bar, generally totals to the time signature, which is 4/4. Okay, so let me play the whole thing now. Okay, from the beginning I'll count on 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you can see these lines over here are slurs indicating this passage has to be played smoothly, or smoothly is also called legato in musical terms. So play smoothly here, smoothly here, smoothly here, smoothly here. Okay, so that covers this lesson. Let's go to the next one. Okay, the next lesson we have submarine. Now they're also calling this submarine because we're playing little low. As you can see in the bass clef, as you know, the submarine that goes low down deep in the water, so that's hence the name of this song. You can see the bass clef we're playing starting with a C note. Okay, in the first finger of the bass clef. So I'm playing here. Okay, so this is C, C, and this is G, 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 C, C, G. The time is still, time signature is still 4/4, means 4 crotchet beats here in a bar. But as you can see, this first bar has all the 4 beats. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again C, 1, 2, 3, 4. This G has 2 counts because it's a minim note. Okay, I'll play these 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it switches to the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This D is a semi-brief, 4 counts. Okay, then we'll continue, and it continues again to the left hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the right hand. E, E, D, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a simple song, and the only thing here we are playing a little lower in the bass clef. Okay, we are playing this C. So let us go from the beginning. I'll play the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Off. Okay, so that was the submarine. Okay, I'll put this music at the end of this video, so you can pause the video, take a printout and practice. Okay, remember also, if you are at a loss for what's happening, just follow the whole reading music series. I've put it in a separate playlist, and I'll give the link also in this comments, this video over here. You can check it out and go back to the lessons and follow. Okay, we have learned up to page 26 of this first book. Okay children, take care, practice well, bye.